It's the online shopping giant that already dominates much of the world's retail market, and now Amazon is tipped to move into selling cut-price prescription medicines. The U.S. behemoth, which is expected to launch in Australia before Christmas, reportedly has Pharmaceuticals Insight as its next target. While that would be bad news for bricks-and-mortar chemists, experts say consumers would benefit from lower prices. Joe Rogers, CEO of the Contenders brand consultancy in Melbourne, told 9NEWS that Amazon would bring lower pricing, greater transparency and convenience, but only if it were able to navigate regulatory barriers and enter the Australian prescription drug market. When Amazon enters a category, price becomes really clear and levels of value become much more transparent for a customer to be able to see, he said. Broadly, there will be significantly more pricing pressure in that category. Amazon is able to offer really innovative services like Amazon Prime, so you'd be able to get your drugs on your doorstep within an hour in some capital cities. Amazon is tipped to move into the Australian prescription drug market. Media outlets including Bloomberg and CNBC have reported it's inevitable Amazon will move into the lucrative prescription drugs market in the US. In Australia, where pharmaceutical sales are worth $16 billion, there are unconfirmed rumors Amazon has signed up a Sydney pharmacist that would act as a conduit to allow it to dispense prescription drugs online. Further feeding speculation is its recruitment of Australian senior managers from health companies. The Pharmacy Guild, which has successfully prevented supermarket chains Coles and Woolworths from expanding into pharmacy in Australia, says many prescription medicines are subsidised in Australia, meaning customers already get cheaper medicines. The Guild's Catherine Bronger says 87% of Australians live within 2.5 kilometres of their local chemist, who also provide professional advice and individual care. The Contenders' Mr. Rogers says the Australian market is significantly different in regulation and size, but predicted customer uptake would be strong if Amazon does launch into pharmacy here. With cost of living pressures, consumers everywhere are looking for ways they can save, he said. Certainly Amazon would be able to bring savings to the prescription category. Sunhit Ruparelia, founder of online prescription drug pharmacy SydneyDrugs.com, is able to offer hundreds of medicines for under $5.20 by selling wholesale to customers who purchase an annual subscription, which starts at $99 for a basic plan. Watch the full news bulletin on 9 Now. Copyright 9 Digital Thai Limited 2017.